All right, this one is really useful. Here is how to securely get rid of your old cell phone. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you're upgrading your phone, switching brands, whatever it may be sure to follow these steps to wipe your data before you recycle, donate, or sell your old device. First, make sure you've transferred your phone's data. Usually your phone carrier, many times, will help you do this when you get a new one so that your information is moved over to your new device. Next, you're going to want to make sure that you securely get rid of the data on your old phone. Deleting information is not the same as wiping it. It's important to sign out of your iPhone iCloud or Samsung account, sign out of the App Store, and anywhere else you're logged in. Then you're going to want to reset your phone to its factory settings. Let me show you how to do it. It's really easy. On iPhone, under your settings, you can tap General and then tap Transfer or Reset Phone. You can there prepare for a new phone before erasing all content and settings. On an Android, the steps may slightly vary. On this one that we're using, you'll go to your settings, tap General Management, tap Reset, and then Factory Data Reset. Want to know how to get the most money for your old unused phone? Head over to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.